Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you download Roblox on laptop and PC. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing first, make sure that you already have a Roblox account. So then, you want to open up a browser and type in roblox.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, then create one. As you're done creating your account, you'll be then taken to the official page. It's a very simple steps in order to download the Roblox player on your PC. All you have to do is you want to simply go ahead and try playing any of these games. Now let's go with any of it. You could choose any of it and you could see this sort of page, right? So there, what you need to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on this blue arrow icon right over here, and now you'll have successfully installed it. So you just have to make sure to follow the prompt. Now click on run the installation, all that, and that way you'll have successfully downloaded the Roblox on your laptop. So this is the simplest way you could download Roblox onto your PC as well as laptop. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.